Hi guys, this is Alice from Propel Energy. Today we are going to do the vibration test for our LiFePO4 battery. Before our test, let's measure the battery's weight and voltage. The weight is 45.4 kg. The voltage is 53.4. Our operator will help us to fix the battery on the platform and set the test parameters on that controller. The test will be conducted from three directions: X, Y, and Z. And the sinusoidal swept from 7 Hz up to 200 Hz and then back to 7 Hz. Traverse T in 15 minutes, and such cycle will be repeated for 12 times. So the test time for each direction is 3 hours. The battery will keep vibrating for 9 hours in total. Okay, everything is ready now. Let's start our test. Now we start the second cycle. It is 9:40 a.m. now, and let's check the result at 6:25 p.m. Okay, time's up. The vibration test has been complete. Let's measure the battery weight and voltage again. The battery weight is still 45.4 kg. And let's measure the voltage. It is 53.3.5 volts. It's okay. As we can see that there is no weight loss, no leakage, no venting, no disassembly, and no fire, and the voltage is within 90%. So our battery has passed the vibration test. For durable and reliable battery, Propel is your best choice. Thank you.